Let's check it out. That joker's sizzling, yo. You heard that? I know y'all like, why you go all the way to Vietnam to eat some burgers? Let's check it out. They got the happy hour joint for those who are interested. Oh, yes. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV, and we're back in Da Nang, man. We're going to this spot called Chops, right? We're going there. It's supposed to have really good burgers. I know y'all like, why you go all the way to Vietnam to eat some burgers? But I'm just here to eat, man, and tour, and to get to know people and meet different people. There is this YouTuber that's going to meet me here, man. His name is Army Guy Travels. We're gonna go in here and see what's going on at Chops. That's Army Guy Travels right there. He is like a mega YouTuber right here in the flesh. Do you guys believe it? I told y'all I know people. I told y'all I know people. Y'all just don't believe me. What you getting?
In the salt, right?
Yeah, because I'm allergic to mushroom. Like,
okay.
Oh, there's mushrooms in the truffle sauce.
Well, that's what truffle is.
Truffle. Oh, truffles are really mushrooms?
Truffle, yeah, unless if it's a chocolate truffle, which
is
chocolate.
Yeah, it's not. But it's still okay.
So we're gonna get the hot pot burger.
Yeah.
The sizzling hot pot burger.
Okay.
But with no truffle.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the same thing, but I want truffle.
Okay.
Is that a good burger? A lot of people order it.
It's really freaking good.
Okay.
When I mean good, it's good.
Yeah. It's good to the second
And
power.
then I'm gonna get some onion rings.
Okay. That's all?
For me, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all. I'm gonna just get the burger. Okay, I'll eat some of his onion ring. He's eating too much. Yo, we're here early, y'all. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. The onion rings just came out right there.
These are good.
They look good, man.
Dude, take some. Give it a try. Ooh, they're hot.
Y'all heard him, right? He said, take some. I was waiting for this. I've been waiting for this. I'm just gonna try one or two of them. That's it.
There you go.
It's got the sauce right there.
That's like garlic aioli.
Let's check it out.
How that crunch?
Really good. You know what's nice about these onion rings? I can taste, this may sound weird, but I can taste the freshness of the oil that's on here. Look at that. Hold on, let me turn it this way. Look at this, y'all.
Dude, that's something that they don't normally do in Southeast Asia, is change the oil.
When they stay away for a bit. That joke is sizzling, yo. You heard that?
All right, make sure you're videoing.
We're here to get it.
Because this is
We are here to get it. Do y'all hear that sizzling? Uh-oh, here's the fun. Uh-oh. That's that truffle sauce?
Yeah. Yours is.
Nice. Mine has the truffle in it, right?
Yeah.
Yours do not.
Dude, look at that.
Look at this, y'all.
Yeah, I know. I've had this before. It's so good.
It's so good all over. It's sitting there boiling. That plate is so hot.
Thank you so much. Enjoy. Yeah, dude. So you're gonna eat this with a fork and a knife, obviously.
Fork and a knife, y'all. We'll not be using our Carolina forks on this one. Oh yeah, thank you. You're welcome. We're not gonna use our Carolina fork. Oh, okay. That's how we doing it?
That's why we're doing it.
Did you just do a little quart off of that? You guys know I do not use knives and forks. When I eat, I am not from that country.
No. Dude.
Uh-oh. Did you get the bread and everything in there?
Yeah, man, just cut it. You're eating the burger, but you're just like cutting a piece.
Look at this, y'all. Hold up. Wait a minute. Look at this, y'all. Look at that right there. Ooh,
and then you gotta dip it in that cheese, man. Get all that cheese on there.
Dip it in the cheese, man.
Here, I'm gonna steal you real quick.
Look, you gotta blow this stuff off, man.
Look at that steam coming off of that.
Word is on, yo. Here we go. I don't even have 2 pieces of bread, man. I don't have 2 pieces of bread on there, but we're just gonna check it out.
Hot.
It's hot, I know. I see that steam. Usually steam is a sign of it being hot.
That's pretty good, huh? It's amazing. Thank you.
Really good. Thank you. I love this truffle sauce. It's really delicious.
Even the burger has good flavor to it. Like
The bread, like you said, is really tasty, and I do taste some sweetness in it.
because
And that
that's how it
burger
makes
is the bomb.
Yeah.
It tastes like a good New York City smash burger in Vietnam.
So good call on this.
It was a good call. I'm gonna see how it fills me up though. This is pretty big too, y'all. You guys saw it. You know, when this plate came out, it was super hot, and then they poured that truffle sauce on there, and it started steaming and bubbling, man. I was hungry when I came in here, but then I got really hungry.
Dude, I was getting like sprayed with the cheese. Pause.
No. We was getting squirted on by the cheese.
And he told me, he's like, you should
Watch
back
him
up.
I know, I
He
heard.
said you should back up a little bit.
That's funny.
This is gonna be real short, man. Who are you? Who are you?
So my name's Justin, aka Army Guy Travels. I'm a world traveler. I've been to 116 countries now. Trying to go to every country in the world. I want to show you guys the world. Don't stay at home. I know too many people from Texas that have never even left Texas. I want people to travel and enjoy the entire world, and maybe I can help you with that. So what's good about this too is you can taste the flavor of each individual piece of the burger, which is cool because they make these sweet buns. Pause. There's no way to not have that be a pause moment. They make them fresh every day in Hoi An, so you can taste the sweetness of the bun, and then they send them on a truck up here
So all of the bread is made in Hoi An?
daily.
Wow. So now I got to go back to Hoi An.
That's why I mentioned it in case if you wanted to do it while you were down there.
Yeah.
Did you get sandals made?
No.
Oh.
Stuff to carry in my suitcase?
No, man.
Sandals?
This is worth it. Hoi
You didn't see
An,
our suitcase, y'all. Where is our? Right here. Here we go.
dude. Hoi An,
Makes good sandals.
like it's like floating on clouds. It's like
Oh, yeah.
Birkenstocks.
Yeah.
But so like everyone I know goes down there, and you don't even have to stay down there. You can like go down and get them sized, and they'll deliver them up here for you on a motorbike. But you
How
can 900,000 Vietnamese dong, so like $30 for Birkenstocks. You can get closed toe, open toe. You can get brown leather, black leather. You can even my dude even got blue suede closed toes. But the cushion is like it's like floating on a cloud.
Now you keep using the term I don't know. Birkenstock?
Birkenstock is like rich white people sandals. I don't really like Birkenstocks, but I like these ones. These custom homemade ones.
So y'all know I ain't into fashion at all.
Me neither.
And I ain't into clothes, I ain't into jewelry, never had nothing around my neck, around my arms. But we're gonna check these out, man. We gotta take you guys along with us. Stay tuned. You know one thing I do want with this? I'm not gonna get it though. A spoon. I just wanna taste that sauce. And I have tasted it, but I know y'all, my people's from South Carolina, like, you don't need no spoon, you got that bread to sop it up like a biscuit.
I don't even know they have spoons here.
I don't need a spoon. Look at those onions, man. I can show you the onions. Look, there's onions and there's like some type of lettuce in there too.
And I think there's jalapenos in it, little pieces.
Oh, you just said jalapenos, y'all. I wasn't even thinking. I would have ordered a side of jalapenos. How many of you guys eating burgers with your forks?
So I figured this would look good on video for your fans too.
Really good, man. See that steam still coming up because that hot plate is still hot. Maybe that's why they call it a hot plate.
They call it a hot pot.
Hot plate.
You know what? I just thought of something. Watch this. Let's get some of this. Oh wow. You should give that a try, brother. Grab one. That's good.
You see that, guys? He dipped the onion rings into
Ooh,
that
geez.
sauce. I'm gonna try it.
Dude, try it. It's good. Now you don't need a spoon. You got that's your spoon.
We got an onion spoon right here. Hold up, y'all. Let's check it out. Y'all know I gotta get a lot of it. It is really good.
Yeah.
That crunchiness and that sauce. And then you get that onion. If you ever get an onion and it's not oniony, send it back.
See, they get the best vegetables here. Dude, you want
Nice and fresh.
You want a cool thing to do for like an afternoon?
What?
Take a moto or a car. There's something called the Truckee Vegetable Village.
Here?
Yeah, it's in Hoi An.
Is it a market?
No, it's a
Okay.
whole village, and they got restaurants and cafes and kind of walk through, watching like Vietnamese people. But it's like this. It's closer to us than Hoi An. It's probably like Hoi An's 31 kilometers away from here. We're talking probably like 20 kilometers. A friend of mine is from Nigeria. He lives here, and he's Afrobeats artist. And
What's his name?
Mikado, Bullion Mikado. So,
You say he's from Africa. Okay.
and they have a big Afrobeats company down in Ho Chi Minh.
Oh, now we're right now.
Now we got the light. And he asked me to do the behind the scenes
Okay, that's dope.
for the Afrobeats video, and we did it out in the middle of the freaking vegetable village.
So he did a music video.
Here, but it's kind of like Vietnam meets Nigeria. It was cool as hell. So I did the behind the scenes, put that on my channel, collaborated with him.
Yeah.
So I even got an Afrobeats
That's dope.
like on my channel,
Right.
because that's like two cultures that are so far apart from each other, like colliding.
Yo, it's a done deal, man. I really enjoyed that burger. It was really tasty. The bread was good. The sauce was good. The burger was good. The onions, the jalapenos, the bacon that was in it, it was all good.
Delicious.
Thank you to Army Guy Travels. We'll see him in the next one.
Absolutely. Like, share, subscribe.
Look at the truck pulling up like it's here for us, y'all. Let's check it out. It's kind of like I feel like I'm about to get. Oh, you have one on the way?
It's right here.
Oh, is that it?
It's on the other side.
Oh, okay. We about to go, y'all.
That's us right there. 79.
Right there across the street? Okay.
Mitsubishi.
Oh, yeah. I'll go on the other side. On to the next one, y'all.
Justin?
Oh, goodness, we about to go meet some
Veterans.
veterans. We about to go meet some veterans, y'all, from the
Yeah, because our one buddy, he's leaving.
Estados Unidos.
Yes, sir.
Oh, somebody's going back home.
Yeah, he's going to be gone for a few months, and then he's never done Thailand, so I'm going to take him to Thailand when he gets back.
When's he getting back?
Like 3 months.
Okay, and I know you've been to Thailand. Compare quick comparison: Thailand to Vietnam, Vietnam to Thailand. Which one would you choose?
Vietnam. I love Thailand, don't get me wrong. Thailand has amazing food, amazing people. There's so much to do and so much to see, but Vietnam is easy. And what I mean by easy is it's an easy life. It can be as crazy, as relaxed as you want it to be. But you come to Vietnam and it's just so simple. And Thailand doesn't really have that. Thailand's amazing. It's just different, right?
This shit, man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, but you're hanging with the right cats now. Love you guys, man. We'll see you guys at the next one. Stay tuned. Peace.
Bye, guys. Thanks you for letting me join, and we had a good time today.
What?
I thought we were doing Georgian for dinner.
Would they come here?
No, they're going to Dirty Fingers. That'd be a good video for you.
Oh, yeah.